Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a melody in 5 or in less than 5 minutes. So let's just open a new tab. We do a lead sheet just because, or we could do just choose it and click OK. Oops. You'll see a plus. Click the plus in the center. You'll add a piano to your thing. Click add. And then now we're free to make our melody. Now, sometimes, you want to point and click for things, but sometimes it's better if you're able to use this. And then there should be a piano down here. You can stretch the keys so that they're fatter, and you gotta watch what octave you're on. So I'm gonna go and then okay, so it's actually not the one we want. We want the half note. Or want half note. We don't want the flat. Make sure this is up. And then switching back to quarter. Let's do bottom. So we're gonna do like this. We're going to go up to half note. So that's my melody. And it only took about maybe 2 or 3 minutes to write this melody. So you can even write longer ones, but here's mine. Now, if you have a MIDI keyboard or something like that, it would be better. You would go quicker. Just connect it to your computer and have at your heart's content. Alright, so if you have any questions, please feel free to consult the Q&A, and I'll see you in the next one.